Navigating the Nifty Nuances, Mastering Less Common Homonyms. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing, yet tricky, aspect of the English language, less common homonyms. We will delve into what they are, their meanings, and most importantly, how to use them correctly in sentences. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger command of these words and how to use them to add sophistication to your English. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation, but different meanings. They can be a bit confusing, especially when they're less common and not frequently used in everyday English. Our focus will be on these less common homonyms, words like bore, seal, right, that have more than one meaning and can be used in various contexts. Remember, understanding these homonyms is all about context. Our next step is to understand the different meanings these less common homonyms hold. Let's take bore as an example. Bore could mean to drill a hole in something, or it could refer to a person or task that is dull or uninteresting. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Knowing these differences in meaning will help you understand and interpret English text more accurately. Now, the fun part. It's time to learn how to use these homonyms correctly in sentences. Here's a tip: always consider the context. The meaning of a homonym changes based on the context it is used in. Let's use seal in a sentence. The explorer watched the seal play in the Arctic waters. In this context, seal refers to the marine animal. Now consider this: please seal the envelope before you post it. Here, seal means to close something securely. Practice makes perfect. We'll go through a few more examples and some exercises to ensure you're comfortable using these words in sentences. For example, the word right could mean a direction, correct, or a privilege, depending on the context it's used in. So, a sentence like, "You have the right to choose the right direction," uses right in 3 different ways. And that's it for today's lesson on less common homonyms, folks. I hope this video has made these fascinating elements of the English language more approachable and less intimidating for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, context is king when it comes to homonyms. We'll meet again in our next video. Happy learning, and stay curious.